Because everybody knew who Saul was. But for Consul Sergius Paulus, an intelligent man, this man called for Barnabas and Saul and sought to hear the instrument of restoration that God used in the life of Mark. So Barnabas goes ahead and he cares for Mark to the point where he is later restored. Let's go to 2 Timothy 4:11. Only after the work that Barnabas did in the life of Mark, because the previous verse that I read to you, which is Acts 15:25, where Mark left. But the point here is that Barnabas took with himself Mark. He did a work in the life of Mark. He wrote most of the New Testament. There was somebody else that was doing a one-on-one work. He will pick this person